Big plans are underway to build a half-mile river walk connecting Broad Ripple Village to Broad Ripple Park. RTV6's Kara Kenny got a sneak peek at the plans, and she's working for you to find out how much it will cost you, the taxpayer.
Broad Ripple Village is the only cultural district in the city that's located outside of downtown. The Village Association wants to make sure that this remains a world-class amenity, and now they're unveiling plans to do just that. Broad Ripple has shops, restaurants, the river, the Monon, and Broad Ripple Park, but they're not well connected. The Village Association wants to change that. They shared with us these plans to build a Riverwalk promenade.
The idea is to create a safer, more pedestrian and bike-friendly path.
It would shift the traffic lane south and create a buffer.
Create a wider path here where, moms and strollers feel a little safer versus this short little sidewalk right along a busy road.
The estimated cost of the project, $3 million. Half will come from a city Department of Public Works matching grant, but supporters will have to come up with the rest of the money.
But we're also going after other grants. We've actually applied for a big Lilly grant that would take care of the matching portion of this.
Approximately $100 million in private investment is going into Broad Ripple, with new apartments and mixed use popping up.
We're going to have close to 1,000 new residents, if you will, filling those bedrooms. We feel it's important to create the kind of infrastructure and amenities at a community that keep those people here and want them to want to stay and live in this community.
A somewhat similar idea for a Broad Ripple boardwalk failed back in 2014, but the BRVA says this is different.
And part of the reason is because that was going lower into the bank, and DNR didn't approve of that. This will actually kind of enhance the bank a little bit, make it safer, build up the riverbank.
Concerned citizen and river activist Clark Kahlo says this is a redo of BRVA's failed 2014 boardwalk plan. While there would be less intrusion on the river corridor, this expanded sidewalk would be a costly adornment. The $3 million cost is excessive. What do you say to those people that are concerned about the $3 million cost?
Yeah, I mean, it is a matching grant from DPW, so that half is taxpayer money. I mean, essentially, but we're doubling the value of taxpayer money in this project. So it really is a great value for an amenity that we would never be able to afford another way.
Kara Kenny, RTV6.
The plan is to gather the funds throughout 2018 and break ground on the Riverwalk Promenade in 2019.